What's up, guys? I'm Mr.J01 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a certain trick that was invented by a really huge builder. Well, he's not really huge, he's very, very creative. So, this is a trick I like to call the stacky tower or whatever, or stacky wall, sorry, I don't even know how to talk. But anyways, let's get started. So first thing you need to notice is that you're going to need an elevated surface to build this. And one thing to notice is that you do not want to build this on a floor. It's going to fail, I promise. Especially if you use the main ingredient in this particular wall or trick. So, get your dominoes, everyone, and let's start building. So I've laid out everything that you need right here in this elevated area. Obviously you're going to need some dominoes for one, some string, tape, and scissors. So anyways, let's get right into the video, or tutorial, whatever. Okay, so here we have our dominoes. Tape, string, tape, and we have scissors, magic scissors. We're going to set these three things aside for now. We're going to start off with the dominoes here. Now this trick will work with either lamping, H5, Dawn, bulk dominoes, or if you have wooden dominoes, they might work as well, but definitely consider testing them out first before you start. So, but you can choose whatever you have. This trick may be hard with Jenga blocks or capitals, but anyways, off topic. First and foremost, you're going to lay a domino right on the edge of the table like this. And you're going to do the same thing with another domino right here. Let me zoom in a little closer here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There we go. I'm going to set these three things on the floor for now. Drop one. Alright. I'm using both bulk and lamping for this trick, so you can choose whatever. So you're going to start off with two dominoes like that. And then you're going to make sure that you have at least around that much of a space. Next, you're going to take three dominoes and you're going to stack them like that. Easy peasy. And you're going to set a domino right here like normal. And basically what's going to happen is that basically you're going to have three dominoes stacked on top of each other like this. Well, you're going to sandwich two dominoes with another domino right here. So, and the design is going to be like diagonal. And I'll give you a perfect example. Ooh, that's a bit too close. Let's back it a little bit. Oh, and this trick was invented by Micajo, if you guys are, or Micajo Domino is his name. If you guys want to know what trick he's talking about, I'll leave a link in the description down below. What I'm talking about, I cannot speak today. That was too much. make sure you center these dominoes as best you can. Again, so you're going to take 3 dominoes, no more than 3. The tower is going to fail, which will not be good. I'm just letting you guys know that, because we need to go this for future tricks. Oh, you guys can see that perfectly fine. Perfect. If you want to go higher, you simply make once you got as far as you want, you can simply stack a few dominoes on top of each other like this. Oh yeah. And you simply work your way up. Actually, no, it's not right. You're gonna lay a domino right here. I'm sorry guys, I messed up. Like that. And then you place a domino like this. Actually, I'm going to get rid of these 3 right here. If you're moving dominoes, please be careful on the caution. And if you want to go anywhere higher, you simply do the same thing. This is just a smaller example than what Micajo has made. A lot of his tricks are in fact very hard to make, so if you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to make his tricks, and if Micajo himself is watching this, if you can DM me, that's perfect. I would appreciate it. Some tutorials. Okay, now onto the tricky part. You're going to use tape and string to tape. Now, here's something you want to know. Once you're done with the structure, you don't want to completely knock it over using a small or large set. What that will do is that it'll push the entire structure over, and what you've done is ruin something in your setup. If you have a big, small, large set toppling this whole thing just directly. So, to avoid fails, what we're going to do is add string and tape with a leaning domino. With the toppling domino is going to topple off this wall. I cannot talk today. So I'm going to cut the video and explain how the tape and string is going to work. So bear with me, everyone. Alright, so onto the tape and string. Now, any type of string will work with this, and so we're gonna explain this real carefully, and you are gonna be careful when you make this. So I am not responsible for anything that goes wrong in your household. If you do plan to make this structure, so now, to make this, you're gonna take the top domino and the bottom domino with this string. So it's around like right there. So I'm gonna cut it. Like that. And we're gonna, it's too long, but it doesn't care. It doesn't matter. Remove this domino, and you're gonna carefully connect it to that one. And you don't want to push it too hard, because if you do and the structure falls, you lost your structure. So, I mean, I would probably use tape before you try. I would probably tape that bottom domino before you actually perform the tape and string. So, but I've been doing this for years, so I'm gonna. And the weight of these dominoes right here should definitely support the dominoes. And you're gonna kick. Now this is a little risky. I highly recommend you do this before you make the structure, but since I didn't really do that, I have to be careful. But I can still do it. Go. Now we're going to connect this domino to that domino. Again, we're going to be very careful. I promise I will go as slow as I can. There. Cut it. And these scissors really suck. Oh, that's okay. Right about that. Place tape that goes right there. Again, you're going to be very careful. And again, I would recommend you do this before you build the structure, but because I didn't listen to myself, I got to be careful. So, let's up. Don't screw up. Voila! There you have it. Now, if you want to trigger this, what I recommend you do is have like a domino fall off the table with a string attached to that first domino, and then the structure will fall by itself. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend using a small arch set to completely topple this directly, because what that'll do is that it'll probably knock everything over, and it'll probably have enough inertia to knock something in your setup that you just set up regardless. So, and it could cause a break in the setup, which would not be good. So let's get back to the tape and string and the scissors. Get some dominoes. And then we're going to politely cut the string here. Sure, I guess we'll do that. You can also do what Micajo did. He had like a line of dominoes that was already knocked over, and he taped every domino, and then he like, and then it pretty much knocked over the structure. tape. That. And then again, you want to be careful as you tape this domino here to that domino that's on the very bottom, because that is your starting point. Woo! I almost had an accidental toggle. Okay, it's not perfect, but and voila! Now I'm just going to make a domino line to trigger this whole thing. I'm just going to use these 3 dominoes. And there you have it. This is a structure that Micajo Domino has made. Invented, I mean. It's slightly smaller than the average, than what he has personally made, but this is just a smaller example of what he did make. So, anyways, let's trigger this. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, if you want me to make more tutorials like this one, how to build like a professional builder or a mind-blowing builder, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to do a tutorial on one like this. So yeah, because I have a list of things I want to do. I just gotta look forward to seeing them, and I gotta dig deep in them, obviously. So yeah, that is the Stacky Tower that Micajo Domino has invented by himself. I'm Mr.J01, and thank you for watching. Peace out.